Good morning, everyone. My name is Mary Michael Howe. I attended St. Peter's School and I've been a part of this parish for my whole life. From my education and my values to my friends, St. Peter's has had a huge positive impact on me over these last 18 years, and I thank all of you for that. Your hard work and devotion to this parish, your stewardship, makes it such a special place to grow up in. It was after realizing this that I decided that the next step for me as a member of this community was to use my time and talents to ensure that others were able to have an incredible experience here just as I had. By doing so, I have learned that it is never too early to get involved here at St. Peter's. Next weekend, I will be graduating from St. Teresa's Academy, and soon I will be moving on to college, taking with me a widespread knowledge and understanding of my faith that you all have influenced. Now I know that in my house, it was never really a question if I wanted to get involved, but more of when and how I was going to. So parents, don't be afraid to give your kids the extra push they need to start using their gifts to help this place that has already provided so much for them. Trust me, they will eventually understand and thank you. To all of you young people, don't hesitate to start giving back to St. Peter's, because as you leave, you will recognize how fortunate you are to have been raised by such an amazing community and be relieved that you are always welcome here. Whether it's being an altar server, participating in youth group, or helping in the grounds cleanup, every little thing can help to ensure that other kids have the same great experience that I know you did. I can guarantee you that even as you move on, you will always be labeled an SPS kid by your peers, and you will love it. So embrace it now and become a steward for this community, not only to show your gratitude, but to show others what makes St. Peter's so special. Thank you.